What's up everyone, Alessandro here and welcome to an update video here directly from the beach in Sicily. As you can see, enjoying my summer vacation. This nice beach, guys, with a nice castle there on the top. Very nice. And chilling around here, and of course always watching at the Bitcoin price, guys. So let's have a look what is going on. Of course, make sure to be subscribed of course on this channel, guys. I update you even when I'm on my summer vacation, and we're gonna have a look into Bitcoin, guys, because as soon as I'm going on vacation, Bitcoin is always making the big moves. And right now we are seeing a bearish move. We have gotten this big drop here down to our main support at around $115,000, and as you can see currently it is still holding as a support. So this is the good news for now, guys, that Bitcoin is bouncing at our important support trend line that previously of course was our resistance. So of course now, guys, no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to tell you what my gut feeling is and also what my own price analysis is here for Bitcoin and the altcoins. But I believe that we're gonna see very soon a nice fast recovery, but of course we have some warning signs that we have to keep an eye on. So yes, I am still buying and longing the Bitcoin price. I'm still sitting here in my long position, and I'm expecting of course a big bounce from it, and hopefully of course also create new all-time highs very soon here in the Bitcoin price, and of course also in most of the altcoins. If we go over into the daily time frame, here you can see that we are currently trading below the median line of the calendar channels at around 118k. So as long as we are having daily closes below of it, I think that the corrective phase or downtrend will continue. But also here you can see that we are still clearly having daily closes above this new support trend line, previous resistance and a new support at around 115k. As long as this is the case, we have the chance of course to see a big V-shaped recovery and push towards new all-time highs. Also in my own indicators, you can see that even though we got those sell signals up here, currently we are seeing this corrective phase happening, but we are coming also slowly into oversold condition. And of course once we get their buy signals latest, then I think we're gonna see a big bounce here in the Bitcoin price. If we go over into the weekly time frame, then things are looking a bit more bearish, guys, at least here for the immediate short term, because you can see that we are far away from the next moving average here. If we would lose the 9 weekly moving average at around 115k, because the next moving average would be down here at the 20 weekly moving average, currently at around $107,000, and that could be tested because in my indicators, first of all, we got that sell signal here a couple of weeks ago, and also we are for the first time now crossing a bearish here on my confirmation indicator. And here you can see that the last time that we had this bearish cross, and basically the white moving average is crossing below the red one, the last time we had this was over here, and until then we never had a bearish cross like that. And this happened the last time when we crashed from like $105,000 or $110,000 all the way down to this yellow support trend line at around 80k. So this happened the last time, and this is about to happen if Bitcoin would close, let's say, below $115,000 this week or next week. Then this would happen, and that's why I'm currently watching out for that. And I think that kind of for the worst case scenario, yes, we can eventually retest here this yellow support trend line at around 90k right now. It is possible, or here the 50 weekly moving average at 95k. This is in my opinion the worst case where we could be heading to, if really in the next coming weeks we would see first a bigger corrective phase incoming, maybe for the whole month of August and September, and then maybe October gear up for a big move to the upside. That could be incoming, but this is my analysis for now, guys, what could happen with the Bitcoin price. And of course, whatever happens with Bitcoin, the altcoins will follow. Also Ethereum, of course. There also I'm targeting the 4k area if Bitcoin would take a dive here. But of course also if Bitcoin would have a big bounce, then I think new all-time highs are incoming for the altcoins, because we are of course still in a clear uptrend in the altcoins. Also if we go over into the Bitcoin dominance, if you have a look into that, you can see that we are still clearly falling. So also now we are falling here, we're in a downtrend as long as we have the weekly closes below the median line of the calendar channels over here. And something else that I want to show you is of course the US dollar dominance. Whenever this is bullish, then we should be bearish for the crypto market. Whenever this is falling or bearish, then of course we are bullish for the crypto market. And here on the, let's go over into the weekly time frame, you can see that we are about to get buy signals here. Of course money flow is negative, everything is negative, but this buy signal here could lead into a potential recovery for the US dollar dominance. Let me open up here if possible the indicator. As you can see, we are about to get a bullish cross, not yet confirmed, but we are about to get it. And if that will confirm, If that confirms, then of course that means that here we could see in the next coming weeks a big breakout to the upside from this bigger falling wedge on the weekly, and that of course could mean that we will enter most likely into a bear market. I hope that this is not going to be the case, but just that you know that, and I wanted to show you that as well, guys, because we are of course in a very critical point there, also in the US dollar dominance. Whenever this one is going up, we see of course the crypto market like Bitcoin, Ethereum and so on going down, and that's why we want the US dollar tethered dominance to go down and not to go up. But for now everything is still okay, guys. That's why make sure to be subscribed on this channel, and maybe also check out some of the newest cryptos that I'm buying in right now, like Bitcoin Hyper, very hyped right now, Token 6900, Maxi Doge and so on. We have a bunch of new cryptos that are upcoming. One of them, of course the biggest one, is Bitcoin Hyper, and then we have also DeepSnitch AI, a completely new AI platform that will come out that we can invest right now during the first stage of their pre-market phase. They just raised like 150k, so basically nothing, and you can see that the current price is this one over here, and the launch price will be at around 5 cents, so almost 5x higher. I bought into this one, guys. You can also connect the wallet here with the link in the video description, and then of course get on board here into this new AI coin if you want. There are different AI models that will come out here in the crypto space here on DeepSnitch, and that's why if you want to get on board and buy into the coin, the link is in the video description. Of course those coins, guys, are high risk. Also Bitcoin Hyper, this one raised over 10 millions now. It's the biggest one out there of the new upcoming cryptos that everyone is watching out right now. Also here in this article it's written that Bitcoin Hyper is currently over 10 millions, and of course everyone is watching out for this new Bitcoin layer 2 that will come out. That should make of course the Bitcoin network even more efficient and better, and basically everything that we have on Ethereum and Solana, we're gonna have it also on Bitcoin. So crazy stuff going on here, guys, and that's why currently it's of course also so hyped, because most people, they just want to buy into new low market cap coins at cheap prices, and they don't really look at Bitcoin, for example, that is over 100k right now, because not many can afford to buy even one single Bitcoin. And that's why most people are just looking at the price, guys, and they're buying into new low market cap coins to have the chance to of course make big money with a low amount of money. In my opinion, of course you can do that, you can trade with altcoins and new low market cap coins, but of course long term you should be accumulating Bitcoin. At least this is my opinion. But with those new coins like DeepSnitch and of course also Bitcoin Hyper and many others, we can make some short-term gains hopefully, but long term it's good of course to hold Bitcoin. So be subscribed on this channel, guys, and of course as always no financial advice. I'm just always updating you whatever I'm buying and selling here in the crypto space, and of course I'm updating you whatever is going on here. So that's why make sure to be subscribed on this channel, guys. I update you everywhere, also from the beach, and I hope that you can enjoy your summer, and you can enjoy also a little bit of this nice footage from here. Very nice beach here, guys. Really nice clear blue water, as you can see. So I'm gonna dive now and jump into the water and have some great time here. I salute you guys. Thank you for watching. Be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.